everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the November mystery, which I am so excited about this because it is beyond gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. If you're looking for it, I would definitely check out the Buy, Sell, Trade group on Facebook. If you sign up for the mystery next month, starting the 1st, you will get a different kit, but this one is for the month of November, so it already shipped. So this is the mystery for this month, and I am just so excited. So I wanted to do something that was kind of like Galentine, but also girls' night, but also could be a birthday if you wanted to, or any type of celebration, but was kind of leaning more towards girls' night / Galentine. And this is what happened, and it is so pretty, and I am so obsessed. It's way better than I could have ever imagined. So let me give you a close-up. So first of all, I just love fashion people like inlaid in like the box. I just love it, and Jess has been doing it a lot, and I'm just obsessed with it. And I just love like the knee with the glitter on it, because it was like on the glitter floor. I'm just obsessed. And then you have, you know, your makeup, you got your game and your drinks, and you got your popcorn, and you got your outfit and your perfume, and then you got your little like hanging out with your friends chill pillow setup, and then you got your little bar cart, which I'm just obsessed. I love the colorway of this. I love how everything turned out. I love the lights, and like the lighting in all of this is really fun. The sparkliness, like it's just so good. And I feel like it only just gets better from here. So just like buckle up. It's so pretty. So then the colors, gorgeous. No boys allowed. So cute. I just love these colors. I think they're so fun, so pretty, so bright. And then you have your extra color here, which is like a goldish color, the doodles. You have your label and your solid. You have this page here, which has like the donuts and the drink with cotton candy, the charcuterie board, popcorn. It's just so cute. And then you have all of the hands kind of like toasting, which I think is really pretty. And I love this bottom washi. It looks like it's sparkling. And then your like secondary freebie, because this freebie is in here. I think I messed this up whenever I already took my like pictures for this, so I think I messed up the order, but this is like the freebie. So this is like a extra page, and then this is also an extra page. So like you got all the different fashions here, so you have all 6 fashion options, and then you have a box here which is perfect for a quote, which like look at this lighting, it's just so pretty. But I love all these fashion people. I think they're all so cute and sparkly. Like all of their outfits just look like they're shining. Like even this one, it looks like it's shining, and I'm just obsessed with this kit. I think it's so fun. Could be used for any celebration or just like any time. It's just cute, and it just looks like it's sparkling. And I mean, come on. So as far as the foil goes for this one, it's like a shimmer. The shimmer, sparkle, I think it's called sparkle. Sparkle champagne lights. It's perfect, but you could use this with anything. You could use any foil with this. It's just so pretty. It's gorgeous. You have your bougies, you have your icons and scripts, as well as the bottom washi. It's just gorgeous. But I wanted to show you something because I had an idea. So this is what comes with it, but I just like, later on, I was like looking at it, and I was like, all right, I had a foil combo idea that I think would be really pretty. This just came out recently. It's like a sparkly pink. Really pretty. I think it matches really well. And then there's like the fireworks. But also I think these like the champagne lights mix. I brought this out just so you could kind of see the combo. Mixed would be phenomenal. And I also put this here because I'm going to need to remember to put them together when I put them in my kit lineup. I'm probably going to use this as like a Galentine's kit. I just think it's really cute. So that is the ultimate kit and the foil bundle, you know, all the things. So cute. I hope you love it because I am like literally obsessed with it. I just think it's so stinking good and so pretty and just everything. So that is the ultimate kit. Let me show you the mini kit, which is a more affordable option. So you do have your same full boxes. You have the deco page, the glitter header page, the mini kit exclusive page, the bottom washi page, and then this is like the mini kit freebie. So you have the extra color and the labels. And then also there is a extra here, which is the Champagne Lights matte sampler. So that is everything for this month. I really hope that you like this month's mystery. The mysteries, they're just so good this year. And I'm already working on next year. I'm waiting on January, but other than that, I think I'm on I'm working on June or May. One or the other, but I'm just so excited. I just think they're so pretty and so fun, and I always save the best art for the most part. There's an art coming out next week. I was like, should I save it for my anniversary? But I was like, no, everyone needs it now. But like, the best art goes to Mystery, and I just am obsessed, and I hope that you guys like it, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!